그거 진짜 뿅뿅뿅 그거 진짜 들어가야 되는데.
그럼 민정이가 해봐.
진짜요?
잘 나오면 그걸로 쓰고.
진심? 뿅뿅뿅.
I was involved in the Where Are My Girls at that part. So I sang that and it was pitched down.
So where my girls at? Give my son 남정파 who's next?
No one, nobody can stop me.
목소리 저희예요? 형이에요? 형 많이 써요?
목소리야.
No one, no.